After living under these circumstances for over the past 5 years, Patricia Fredericks Garnett is seeking assistance to get out of what she deems a nightmare.
December gone. When we go to pay for the water, we had to pay $11,000.
The steps of the house situated at 424 Block 8 Monrepo, East Coast of Marara, is rotting, the 79-year-old woman lamented. She expressed that due to her illness, diabetes, and a worsening heart condition, her ability to move freely at the residence is limited. The elderly woman says when it rains, she encounters additional challenges.
When the rain fall, all the stuff would come up. The next thing I know, I've nearly spent about a year to get my foot in. I had to end up at the Georgetown Diabetic Foot Clinic.
The visibly frustrated woman said that it is unfair that she has to pay a monthly rent of $30,000 to her landlord, who does no renovations to the property. Garnett bemoaned that despite efforts to convince her landlord how unsuitable these conditions are, which warrants action, her woes have fallen on deaf ears. She said the facility also lacks basic amenities.
I don't have a sink in the kitchen to wash my dishes. I have to go on the back landing. My son had to put a sink. So I have the pictures there in my phone. The back door got big crease all over the place. Big creases.
Efforts to secure a piece of land from the Central Housing and Planning Authority, CHNPA, also proved futile, according to the pensioner. Garnett said that neighbors recommended that she relocate to a better rented property, but insufficient finances remain her stumbling block. The woman, who lives with her 2 sons on the property, said things are so bad that most times neighbors would bring food supplies out of empathy. To this end, the elderly woman is pleading for assistance from the powers that be.
I need somebody to come and to see, so that whoever looking after housing or whatever could be an assistant to me to get out. If anybody from housing is looking in, they too can come and see for themselves and the condition.
Meanwhile, Alicia Fortune, who is the landlord, told Nightly News that she was just doing a good deed, as the individuals are known to her. Fortune said that due to the socio-economic challenges the occupants face, she was trying to be lenient. According to Fortune, if they are not satisfied with the conditions, they can seek elsewhere. I'm Antonio Dey reporting for the HGP Nightly News.